10 health benefits of ginger and lemon juice shots in the morning. Ginger and lemon work synergistically with one another and can enhance the state and function of all cells in the body. Ginger is loaded with vitamins and minerals like potassium, manganese, copper, and magnesium. But adding lemon brings it to a whole other level. Ginger lemon juice is one drink you should be drinking regularly. The health benefits of ginger lemon juice are strongest in the morning when the stomach has had the chance to rest overnight. But you will still reap similar benefits if consumed later in the day. Any ginger lemon juice is better than none at all. Let's start with the health benefits of ginger lemon juice and then find out some recipes. Number 1. Boosts nutrient absorption. The average person absorbs between 10 to 19% of the vitamins and minerals in their food. This is largely due to the number of processed foods people consume and excessive mucus that lines the digestive tract. Ginger helps promote regular digestion and metabolism of your food and is therefore a great addition to your diet if you are having trouble absorbing nutrients. It does so by stimulating gastric and pancreatic enzyme secretion. The vitamin C in lemon also improves iron absorption from plants. So, if you combine ginger and lemon with some beets, then you will actually help your body absorb more iron from the beets. Number 2. Helps eliminate cellulite. Both ginger and lemon help tone and cleanse out the lymphatic system, which is the main system responsible for producing cellulite. Because cellulite is a byproduct of lymphatic system blockage, it is best treated by stimulating lymph flow. The acids in lemon and the warming properties of ginger help break down the accumulation of toxins in the fine lymphatic vessels, helping to improve lymph flow. Number 3. Keeps diabetes at bay. Ginger is useful for helping lower blood sugar, which is great for those who are diabetic. Lemon juice has also been shown to help diabetics control their symptoms, especially when taken at mealtime. Researchers discovered that lemon juice slows the body's digestive system, thereby delaying the conversion of carbohydrate into sugar. It also could help level spikes in blood sugar that often follow a large meal. Number 4. Improves digestion. Ginger is a digestive stimulant, meaning it gets the digestive juices flowing and improves how well your body digests food. It stimulates digestive juices like hydrochloric acid from the stomach and bile from the liver and gallbladder. This makes ginger a preferable supplement to have on hand when you are about to consume a relatively large meal. A cup of lemon and ginger water will help strengthen your digestive system and relieve symptoms such as heartburn, indigestion, and constipation. Drinking it before traveling can help prevent motion sickness. Number 5. Helps reduce nausea. Ginger has been used by pregnant women for centuries in order to help alleviate nausea and vomiting, and science has proven its effectiveness in doing so. Ginger has also been recommended to combat nausea associated with chemotherapy. Lemons are also a popular treatment for morning sickness and nausea as they contain neutralizing acids that form bicarbonates, compounds that help relieve nausea. Number 6. Improves kidney function. This may come to a surprise, but ginger and lemon both help improve the function and state of the kidneys. If you are someone who suffers from kidney stones, you will be pleased to find out that lemons actually help prevent them from forming in the first place. Lemons contain citrate, which helps prevent calcium from building up and forming stones in your kidneys. Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. It happens mainly due to the antioxidants and anti-inflammatories found in ginger. The bioactive molecules of ginger, like gingerols, help fight free radicals in the body, which play a role in heart disease, neurodegenerative diseases, cancer, and aging. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that helps eliminate free radicals from your body. They also have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Number 8. Reduces inflammation and pain. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, which inhibit the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide would form damaging free radicals that inflame and damage our organs and cells. Ginger's initial burn affects the pain pathways in the nervous system directly, but also relieves the inflammation, which in itself causes pain. The antioxidants in lemons are also powerful anti-inflammatory agents that scavenge free radicals and prevent inflammatory response. Number 9. Protects against cancer. Several studies have investigated the anti-cancer potential of ginger and its role in fighting lung, prostate, ovarian, colon, breast, skin, and pancreatic cancers. This can be largely attributed to gingerols, the bioactive components found in high quantities in raw ginger. Lemons and other citrus fruits have demonstrated potential in reducing cancer risk. There are bioflavonoids in lemons that help prevent cancer growth in the body. And finally, number 10. Aids weight loss. Lemon and ginger water will help regulate sugar levels and keep hunger pangs at bay. This prevents overeating and helps you achieve your weight loss goals in a better way. Ginger improves your body's ability to absorb fat, which will help you shed excessive pounds in no time. Moreover, the aroma of lemons can help reduce stress, which in turn will help you get better results from your weight loss efforts. How to make ginger lemon juice? Some people may find ginger and lemon alone a bit too tart. If you are not just making a ginger lemon shot, but instead would rather drink it in large format, say 1 to 2 cups worth, then you may want to consider adding fruit to make it more palatable. Here are some ginger lemon juice recipes you can start with. Basic ginger lemon juice shots. Take this as a shot in the morning to get your day going. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw ginger, unpeeled. 2 lemons, peeled. Apple ginger lemon juice. Taking the ginger lemon juice shots up a notch by adding some apple. This will make it more palatable if you are not extreme enough for straight ginger lemon shots. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw ginger, unpeeled. 1 lemon, peeled. 2 apples. Carrot apple ginger lemon juice. This makes a delicious warming juice that is perfect for revving up your metabolism in the morning. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw ginger unpeeled, 1 lemon peeled, 1 apple, 3 medium carrots peeled. Celery ginger lemon juice. This juice is a little milder but incredibly healing and grounding. Celery juice is good on its own in the morning, but adding some ginger and lemon to it enhances its benefits. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw ginger unpeeled, 1 lemon peeled, 10 ribs of celery. And finally, turmeric ginger lemon juice shots. This super anti-inflammatory combo tastes extreme but really gets to work on healing different parts of the body. You can add a little sweetener like maple syrup or honey if you want to make it more palatable. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw ginger unpeeled, 1 lemon peeled, 1/4 cup raw turmeric unpeeled. In all recipes, run ingredients through a juicer or blend in a blender and strain. Then drink immediately. If you care about your health, please watch these videos. You can show your love by spreading this information to those in need. I hope you enjoy this content. Please subscribe to the channel for more information. Don't forget to like and comment on the video.